If you've been thinking about launching an online store but didn't want to risk spending money up front, this is probably the best time to start. Right now, Shopify is running a limited promotion where you can start completely free and then continue for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. That means you can build your store, test products, and even start making sales, all while spending almost nothing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim this Shopify deal step by step, plus a few things you should know before signing up so you don't miss out on the savings. Let's get into it. First, go down to the description and click the free trial Shopify link I provided. Quick heads up, that is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you decide to sign up through it at no extra cost to you. You still get the same discount and it helps support the channel. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Shopify sign up page. Here, you should see the option to start your free trial. Go ahead and enter your email address, then click the arrow icon to begin. Input your password. Next, you can enter your payment details or skip this step for now. Next, Shopify will ask you a few quick questions about your business. Things like, what do you plan to sell? Is this a new or existing business? Where do you want to sell? You can answer these honestly or skip them if you want to move faster. After that, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, your free trial officially begins. This is where you can start building your store, adding products, customizing your design, and setting everything up. Now here's the important part about the coupon deal. When your free trial ends, Shopify will prompt you to choose a plan. This is where the promotion kicks in. Instead of paying full price, you'll be able to continue your plan for just $1 per month for the first 3 months. So overall, you're getting a very low cost way to fully test Shopify before committing long term. During this time, you can add products to your store, customize your website design, set up payments and shipping, install apps to grow your business, and even start making sales. One thing to keep in mind, after the 3 months, at $1 per month, your plan will renew at the standard pricing. So if you're testing things out, just make sure to keep track of that. Overall, this is one of the lowest risk ways to start an online store right now. You're getting time to learn the platform, build your store, and see if your idea works without needing a big upfront investment. If you want to take advantage of the deal, check out the link in the description below. That link will take you directly to the Shopify promo page so you can start your free trial and lock in the $1 per month offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on building websites, online stores, and growing your business online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.